Hi, I'm Chuck Hatton, President and CEO of the Michigan Manufacturers Association. This is an exciting time to be in manufacturing. We're about to see another revolution, an industrial revolution come along, and I want you to be prepared for that. What do I mean by that? I mean Industry 4.0. What was the first one? Steam. It helped produce energy. And then we got the production line coming in with Henry Ford. And then we had robotics coming along. Now we have the next one coming along, and this is all data driven and cyber and Internet of Things, cybersecurity, big data, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence, sensors, mobility, additive manufacturing, all are coming together at the same time, and we need to be ready for it. You need to be ready for it. Your company's success needs to be ready for it. What I need you to do is you're going to get a tax break from Trump this coming year. What are you going to do with that tax break? You want to reinvest it into one of these ideas. How do you know which idea to pick from? We have you covered. Our manufacturing forum, which is set for May 9th at the Suburban Center in Novi, is going to give you that information. We're going to cover a lot of these areas. We're going to help you get a start of what you think you could use and how you could use some of these different ideas so you'd be a better help to your customers. You can be thinking about what your customer needs are before they happen. But you need to invest in yourself now. It's $150 to come to the seminar. It's well worth it. You're going to get some good ideas you can walk away from. We always have a good forum seminar. This one is going to be one of the best, and you need to be prepared so you can invest in your company. Please come to the forum May 9th. I think you'll learn something, or send somebody you want to learn something, and they can bring it back, and you can start working on it when you get that tax break from Trump. Thanks, and I hope to see you there. Bye.